A judge could rule today or tomorrow on the future of the Prichard Water Board. For years, we've been reporting the stories on so many Prichard residents who say they've been paying outrageous water bills, some even in the hundreds of dollars. In November, Amendment 5 passed, which would transfer all assets of the water board over to the Mobile area water and sewer system. But the Prichard Water Board has been fighting that takeover. So this morning, the two sides met in court. Inside Judge Young Peter's courtroom, you couldn't find an empty seat. They were packed with Prichard residents, sick of paying high water bills. It's a story we've been covering for years.
December, which would be $302.
I don't have this kind of money to pay this bill.
I'm tired of paying that high water bill. I can't even buy nothing but pork and beans and crackers.
Today in court, the Prichard Water Board argued Amendment 5 violates the Alabama Constitution. And even though it passed with a majority statewide, a water board attorney argued there were a couple of precincts that voted against the measure. The judge rejected that argument. MAWSS attorneys say the Prichard Water Board is a public entity, and since a majority of the public wants it gone, it should be dissolved. The judge will issue a ruling soon. But after the ruling comes down, both sides tell me that the fight may not end inside this courtroom. Attorneys are willing to take it to the Alabama Supreme Court.
There's no other case exactly on point in the country that either side can find, so it might set some new precedent in Alabama law.
Just because you have the right to do something doesn't mean it's morally right to do it.
For Prichard residents, this is a war that's been raging on and on.
We are not going to stop this, whether it goes to the Alabama Supreme Court or to the United States Supreme Court. We are going to stay out here on the battlefield. We will get some relief.
And we're still awaiting a decision from Judge Young Peter, and as soon as we receive the ruling, we will certainly let you know. I did speak with State Representative Napoleon Bracey. He said if the courts rule in favor of the Prichard Water Board, he will present another bill to the Alabama legislature to dissolve the water board.